In this video, you will learn 16 school subjects and what you study in each subject.
Then you will practice simple sentences. I like math because. Science is my favorite subject at school because. First, watch a scene between two students talking about the school subjects and jot down some new words. It's another fun day at school. Lily and Tom are walking down the hallway. Let's listen to their chat. Hey Tom, guess what class we have next?
Is it nap time?
No, it's science class.
Oh yeah, I love science. Last time we made a volcano.
Boom! That was fun. I like learning about space and animals.
Same here. Did you know jellyfish don't have brains?
What? That's crazy.
I know, right? So, what's your favorite subject?
Easy. Art. I love painting and being creative.
I'm not good at drawing. My cat looked like a potato.
Haha, that's okay. It's still art.
Well, I like math. Numbers make sense. 2 plus 2 will always be 4.
True, but I prefer music. Singing is so much fun.
I like PE, running, jumping, and no homework.
Best part, right? No homework in PE.
Exactly. What about history?
It's interesting. I like learning about kings and queens.
I like lunch best. Does that count as a subject?
Haha, nice try, Tom. Do you remember all the subjects that they mentioned? Tom and Lily like science because they like experiments of the volcano last week. Lily likes art because she loves painting and being creative. Tom likes math because numbers make sense. Lily likes music because singing is so much fun. Tom likes PE because there is no homework in PE. Lily likes history because she likes learning about kings and queens.
Now let's go through all 16 school subjects and simple ways of saying about them. Math. In math, we learn about numbers and solving problems. I like math because I enjoy learning about numbers and solving problems. English. In English, we learn how to read, write, and speak in English. I like English because I want to read, write, and speak better. Science. In science, we learn about nature, animals, plants, space, and experiments. I like science because I like learning about nature and doing experiments. History. In history, we learn about people and events from the past. I like history because I want to know about people and events from the past. Geography. In geography, we learn about countries, maps, and the Earth. I like geography because I enjoy learning about countries and maps. Art. In art, we learn drawing, painting, and making creative things. I like art because I can draw, paint, and be creative. Music. In music, we learn singing or playing instruments. I'm like music because I love singing and playing instruments. Physical education, PE. In PE, we do sports and exercises. I like PE because I like to play sports and move my body. Computer science, ICT. In computer science, we learn how to use computers. I like computer science because I want to learn how to use computers. Literature. In literature, we read and study stories, poems, and books. I like literature because I enjoy reading stories and poems. Biology. In biology, we study living things. I like biology because I want to learn about animals and plants. Chemistry. In chemistry, we learn about substances and how they change. I like chemistry because I like to mix things and see how they change. Physics. In physics, we learn about energy, forces, and motion. I like physics because I want to understand energy and how things move. Social studies. In social studies, we learn about people, society, and culture. I like social studies because I want to learn about people and culture. Health. In health, we learn about taking care of your body and mind. I like health because I want to take care of my body and mind. Foreign language. In foreign language, we learn languages like Spanish, French, Chinese, etc. I like foreign languages because I want to speak to people from other countries. Let's go over all 16 subjects one more time before you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more meaningful videos. Vocabulary, social studies, physical education, computer science, foreign language, health, art, music, chemistry, biology, literature, math, physics, geography, English, history, science. What's your favorite subject at school and why? Leave the comment below to let us know. See you next time.